In this lesson, we will talk about a very important topic in Elasticsearch, and it's called mapping. If you had noticed, when we added the documents in write or update operations, we never specified the type of the fields. We only provided the value of the field. This is because Elasticsearch has the capability to analyze the values stored into the fields and then based on that drive a data type. This is a great feature in most cases, but in certain situations, we may want to explicitly tell Elasticsearch to assign only certain data types to some fields, for example, date fields. This can be accomplished using underscore mapping operation. Now, mapping can be added at the time when you are creating a type within an index. That's the best approach to take because you do not have any data indexed at that time. You can specify the mapping at the very beginning. You can also specify the mapping at the later stage when you are adding new fields into your document, like I will show you in next exercise. But in some cases, you want to change the mapping of an existing field which already has some data added to it. This is not recommended to change the mapping of an existing field which already has some data indexed. This may lead to corrupting the data itself and index. In next lesson, I show you how to add mapping for a new field in an existing document. I see you in the next class.